Hello and welcome to Granted Gardens Week 9 Vegetable Patch Tour. We recently, this past week, tore out some of the stuff that was dying back and wasn't doing too well to make room for some of the stuff that we started for our fall garden. We planted seeds a couple weeks ago, we got them to sprout, so we were able to get some stuff in our vegetable beds with the space that was provided. So we'll do a quick tour. So we'll start back in this corner here with the sunflowers. The sunflowers are on their way out. We picked the large one at the last video, but they're drooping down, so we're getting ready to collect them for seed. I was going to collect this one for seed, but somebody got to him before I did. Cucumbers are getting big. We actually spent half the day today pickling our cucumbers from the garden. So I think we got about 6 or 7 jars of pickles out of them. The melons, which now I'm questioning whether these are actually going to be melons, but I'm pretty confident that they are flowering, and let's see if I can find it. Oh, we've got some starting here. So I'm excited to figure out what these guys are. This is the new area that we have planted for the start of the fall garden. We've got different kale here and beans back here. Those are new. That is the area we had some beans in, but we tore them out and put more in. We switched up the arch a little bit. We put the peas on this side. All of this needs watered. We put the peas on this side. This sunflower is still hanging in there. We should get a good amount of seeds from him. Then on this side, we put more cucumbers. So these are all started from seed for the fall garden. The cucamelons have been coming in. They're delicious. This is a cucumber plant we decided. We picked from him. We pickled some of him today. Oh, we've got one down here actually. I tried these cucumbers and they're really good. I really like them. The only problem is I don't know what kind they are because they were mislabeled. They were in with my melons, so not sure what kind they are, but they're good. And they're definitely different than the rest of them that we have growing. Over here, we were just eyeballing the sucker plants that I planted. They all have flowers on them and they're starting to get tomatoes. We've got tomatoes coming here. The pepper plants perked up and are doing their thing, and we are finally getting some of the Mad Hatter peppers. I'm really excited to try these. They look different. They look really neat. So I'm super excited about that. We've got a ton of peppers on here. The green peppers, if you can see back here, they're producing again. This guy's got some flowers on him. Potatoes getting big. We had to tie him up. Then these are our original tomato plants that, as far as production goes, we're not getting a large harvest out of them, but at this point these were the only slicers that I planted, so I'm invested in letting them do their thing so that I can actually harvest from them. But we've got some good looking tomatoes coming. These are more tomato plants that I planted in my last videos. And then this cucumber over here. Wow, check this out. Now this is gross and weird, but can you see all those bugs on there? Those look like, it's a stink bug maybe on top. Are those babies? I don't know, we gotta do something about that. That's really gross. Yeah, she's watching me. Those must be her babies. But the cucamelons are a huge success. I'm really excited about those. I would totally do them again. can definitely come out and harvest quite a bit of these actually. So if you're not familiar with cucamelons, this is as big as they get. They're tiny. But they're a great snack because they literally taste like cucumbers, but they're a little bit sweeter. You can also pickle them. But I'm not going to waste time pickling them. I just like eating them raw. They're delicious. And there's a ton. They're really yummy. So that's about it for now. I'm excited for the fall garden that we have started. Hopefully, I have faith this will do great things, for sure. Oh, and I wanted to get the bug on my camera. Sorry, this guy's distracting me. I wanted to get the potatoes too, so they've grown quite a bit. They're doing really well. We also planted some yarrow along the fence. The rosemary is getting ready to be put in the ground too. Nico, what are you chewing on? So that's the update for now. I appreciate you guys checking it out. I'm really excited to be sharing more about the fall garden and see how that goes. I'm excited for the kale. Our kale I kind of neglected at the beginning of the year. It was my first time growing it, so but hopefully this time we're gonna have a lot more stir fries and a lot more kale to harvest. So thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to sharing more with you soon.